Welcome, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we have an interesting topic on the basics of air circulation in plane. We all travel in the aircraft. How the air circulation is done in that aircraft is what we are going to see in this video. This you must have seen the cabin view, and you must be seeing the air coming from here or the air vents, below or on top of the seats. How this air gets circulated is what is the topic of today's video. Let's look at one important image and understand what it is. So this is the topic, how air circulation works on plane. The image is very clear. This is from Malaysian Airlines, and let us look at the cross sections of the flight. You can see the tail end of the flight is over here, the wings are over here, and this is the flight deck. So, and you must have seen these are the engines. So the air enters, you can see from here, the vent, and part of the air comes from here. You can see from here this arrow. This comes into the air conditioning unit. This is the unit which actually conditions the air. This actually conditions, cool or heat based on the requirement. So the conditioned air from this unit comes here. It goes through these vents. You can see over here the pressure also gets injected because we need positive pressure inside. So this is the blue line which gets a condition. This is the return line which comes from the airline. You can see the arrow, the red ones. The part of the return air is taken back for recirculation. So you can see the cabin air is changed every 2 to 3 minutes, and 50% of the air, that's what is recirculated through a high efficiency HEPA filter. So these are the HEPA filters from which the air is circulated. So the balance air gets exhausted. So the air which we breathe inside is mostly circulated through the HEPA filters, and this is how it works. So this is a mixing manifold. You can over here. This will take care of the return air through the HEPA filters and get mixed, and then the air is circulated. The return air comes back, comes to the mixing units, and the part of the air is taken out from the plane. So this is a simple schematic which I wanted to share with you, how air circulation works on a plane. Hope you got value. Thank you very much. I request all of you to enroll into this course of good installation in HVAC systems. Important course available on my own app. The links are in the description box. Please take full benefit of it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you.